guys, so today I'm going to be doing my February top box versus top box. Alright, so if you guys don't remember or haven't watched any of these videos, you can scroll down and find my original one where I explained what the two different profiles are, because I was trying to see if they would be different items for different kind of features, but I know these ones are going to be a little different. I'll explain that in a second. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you guys are not new, welcome back. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. And hit that notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. So jumping right into this month's top box, like I said in the intro, I do know that they're going to be completely different this month because I actually got a privy box for the one subscription. So I actually subscribed to a preview box and I did manage to get it. This month will just be showing you what I got in both of them. So let's start off with mine. And this is what the calendar looks like this month. So that's really cool. In here, this preview box, preview, whatever. Nude by Nature is what it's called. So I like how the packaging actually has the name of the brand and then it says on here, makeup that's good for you. So I have not actually really heard of this brand before. They have an Instagram page, so maybe I'll have to check it out. All right, so when I saw this, I was like, I saw kind of a blurb of what was going to be in it, and I was like, that looks interesting, so I decided to check it out. So there's quite a few things in here, so let's just see what I got, shall we? There are 5 things in this box, and I'm gonna start off with this one here, and this is a face primer. It's called Perfecting Primer. So this is a 15 milliliter bottle. So that's pretty good. That's a pretty decent size for a sample size, and that is what it looks like. So it's nice and clear. Well, it's colored, but it's nice and... Oh, it spreads really nicely. It smells really... It's got a nice clean smell. I really like it. It is very tacky. So that's great for like making sure your foundation sticks. That's awesome. I can't wait to try that. I'm gonna have to do some research and actually check out how expensive their stuff is, because if that actually worked really good, I'm gonna really like that. It smells so good. So then up next is this cute little package here, and this is the Perfecting Concealer. So let's just, this is a tiny little container. So it says the foundation for beautiful skin. So I'm just gonna open this. And this is a concealer, so I have no idea what color this is supposed to be. If I can get anything out of it. There is 2 milliliters in here. So that there is the color. And it's quite oily. It's very full coveragey. That is what it looks like. That might actually match my skin after my tan has started to kind of fade a little bit. That looks really nice. That might be a nice color match actually. So it looks like it's quite good coverage, so I am definitely gonna give her a good old try. So then I got this here, and I absolutely like the packaging. It's super cute. And this is Radiant Loose Powder Foundation, and this is in N4 Silky Beige. And then I'm gonna grab some of the powder on my hand. Okay, so this is too light for my skin tone. I'm straight up gonna say that this is not gonna be the appropriate color for foundation. You could totally see that that is not gonna match my skin. The last 2 items in here are, so there's this here, and this is another one of these lovely packaged ones, and this is the translucent powder. It looks like it's already opened. Oh, it definitely snuck out of its little sticker, and I'll just do a swatch. So this is translucent. That is, it shears itself out a little bit, so I will try that. It might make my skin look a little too white. And lastly came this cute little thing here, and it says number 11 on it. So this is, it's number 11 Mineral Brush. So this is nice. Like, look at, that's nice and floofy. And that's nice and soft. And it says that it's suitable for all powder formulas. The short hair, the bristles, works really good for putting on mineral makeup. Okay, so I have a mineral makeup brush. So that's pretty awesome for $11 for the whole packaging. I am happy that that box also came with some information so that I can look back and look at it and see what's in the stuff and like what they recommend, because it's a little bit harder when you've never used a product or know anything about it. So then up next is this one. Okay, so then of course this is my other one, and it comes in a pink bag this month. And right here in the bag, it has the top boxing on it, and it's got a 50% off any oil reflections or other Wella hair care products. And then that is it. And then the code is right there if you would like to use it. So which leads me to believe that there are some Wella products in here, and I spy with my little eye some shampoo and conditioner. This is the Oil Reflection Shampoo and Conditioner, and this is the Voluminous Reveal Shampoo, and then this one is a Voluminous Instant Conditioner. So the shampoo and conditioner are different sizes. So this is 50 milliliters, and then this one is 30 milliliters. So let's just take a sniff and see what they smell like. They smell really good. I like Wella products. I have not actually tried these ones yet, so they are definitely on my list of things to try out. So I'm actually happy that I got these. Up next is this. And what is this? This is a Smashbox lipstick, and that's all it says is Smashbox on it. It doesn't say what it is or if it's a matte, but it sure is red looking. So let's do a swatch. Oh geez. That is, I think it might be, I don't know if it's matte or not. It doesn't even say what the color is. So that is what it looks like there. That's really pretty. I don't know if it must be a gloss. It is very, very tacky. That is obviously a small size, or like a sample size, like a deluxe sample size. So that is, it's a decent color. I don't know if I'll wear it, but again, that's okay. What is next? Let's see what this is. This is Fruits and Passion. And I have gotten some body wash from Fruits and Passion. And I really liked it. It was a nice citrus body wash. This one is Ocean Flower. And this is hand cream. I think this is Canadian. Oh, this is from Quebec. Let's take a sniffy poo at this one. It's got the little covering, and I really can't stand these, but I do like the fact that it keeps them nice and fresh. Oh. That smells really good. It was just clear. You know, like regular hand cream. Ooh, I really like the scent of that. So it says that it's enriched with softening and revitalizing materials. Sure. I like the smell. And there's one last thing in this little bag. And this is from Glam Glow. And it is the Glow Starter Mega Illuminizing Moisture. And it's in the color Nude Glow, it says on it. On the back it says, apply evenly to face, leave alone, or layer with your favorite foundation. Can be used on neck and décolletage. Décolleté. Ever like delirium? That's what it means. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, this smells good. This is Glow Starter. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna blend this in a little bit. It just looks like it's a little bit of an illumination cream. It just looks a little bit glowy. So it's just a face cream, but it's not as heavy as some of their other face creams. So that was everything in my 2 top boxes this month. I'm really excited for this one. I am excited to try the brush, and a lot of the products. I'm excited. I'll see what kind of works and see like that kind of stuff, and then maybe I'll actually grab a few other products and try them out. And then I'm definitely excited to try the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm really excited for the hand cream and the glow stuff. Lipstick I'm probably not going to use because it's a little too tacky for me, but that's one of the things about getting subscription boxes is that it's not like I'm paying individually for each thing, so that it's not like if I don't like it, then I don't have to keep it, and I don't feel bad that I spent all this money on it, right? So that's one of the things I love about subscription boxes. Anyway, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see a review on the Nude by Nature, let me know in the comments below, and I will either do a video or do a video. So, all right, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.